Network Entertainment. Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig To.
New episode every Wednesday. Papi, meron ka ba kakilala, kaibigan, katrabaho, na kapag mangjojowa or papasok sa relationship, meron talagang nakaset na dapat ganito siya. Halimbawa, dapat may pera. Dapat may kotse.
Kasing gold digger, ganon?
Hindi naman gold digger, pero kasi itong kakilala ko to na sinasabi ko sa'yo, lahat talaga ng jowa niya may pera.
Is it a requirement?
Well, itong high school friend ko na to, wala talaga siyang ginowa na walang pera.
Nagkataon o pinipili?
Pinipili. Open siya sa amin. Na gusto talaga niya.
Okay.
Yung may pera. And hindi ko tinatake negatively yun against her kasi parang, well, kanya-kanya tayo kumbaga kanya-kanya tayong pili dito kung sinong gusto nating makarelasyon or anong gusto natin.
I've heard na tawag dito yung mga, may kilala ako mga guys na gusto talaga ng celebrity. Mahilig mag-date ng celebrity.
Or girls na mahilig naman sa PBA players.
Yes.
Like or hindi PBA players, ever since college pa lang, basketball players.
Correct.
Pero ikaw, may ganun ka ba? Na dapat, wala.
Alam ko kasi before, throwing it back to high school days, ang pakialam ko ng mga either chinita.
Ikaw. Yun
But I was never,
that's what I'm saying.
I was
Diba
never,
may preferred tayo.
Physical.
Physical. Pero kasi, yung preferred na dapat may pera talaga. May kakilala kang ganon? Kasi meron ako isang kakilala. Yun nga yung
wala akong
high school.
kilala na.
So far, maganda buhay niya. Nasa ibang
Malamang.
bansa na siya ngayon.
Malamang.
Pina-flaunt niya yung kanyang mga bags.
Talaga ba?
I can see she's really happy. I mean, that's her choice. Again, kaya nga no judgment from me.
Ako, wala naman akong kilalang, more of, I think for a guy, it's, mas parang physical qualities eh.
Correct, dapat sexy.
Hindi rin.
Dapat malaki boobs.
Depende.
Or malaki
Kung
puwet.
boob
Puwet
guy
guy,
ka,
oo.
puwet guy ka. Pero kasi sexy is even relative these days eh. There was a time na parang uso yung Victoria's Secret. Pero ako sa akin, I never found that sexy.
Yes, model?
Kailangan may konting laman.
Ayaw mo yung payat na payat talaga.
Oo, ayoko yung parang stick and bones.
Oo.
But that's, once again, that's a personal preference ha.
Yun nga, kasi...
Hindi rin ako machinita. Hindi rin ako kailangan maputi or anything. Actually, lahat ng ex ko, looking back, no? Ito, tingnan mo yung picture.
Talagang hindi siya nahihiya ngayon.
Ang tatapang natin,
last episode, gusto niya pangalanan. Ngayon naman, ang ginagawa niya, papakita mo na yung picture. Kasi kaya ako to nasabi, over the weekend, meron ako nakitang post na malayo yung agwat ng isa't isa sa edad nila. And then when I read the comments, nakita ko, puro negative.
Si ano ba to?
Puro negative yung comment.
Okay. Negative sa guy or sa girl? Sino mas bata?
Both.
Okay.
Both. Negative sa guy, negative din. Pero mas more of negative sa girl.
How old is guy?
I'm not sure kasi hindi ko naman talaga siya.
Okay.
Kilala ko siya pero hindi ko alam kung ilan taon. Siguro mga 50s, 55, I don't know, 51.
And si girl?
Late 20s, 25, 26. So parang yung mga tao sa comment section, ang pinagdedebatihan nila, well, di sila nagdedebate because I think majority of them are saying na kaya ginawa ni girl kasi may pera.
But also...
Tapos parang sinasabi naman ng iba, no, age doesn't matter, blah, 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 and all that. Tapos parang may sasagot nga na, hindi kung walang pera yan, jujuwain niya ba yan? May ganun.
Naniniwala ka sa age doesn't matter?
Oo, lalo kung walang pattern yung mga nagiging jowa mo. Nagigets mo ba ako na parang kung may image ka, halimbawa ikaw sa YG, may image ka na ang jowa mo.
Nag-Bible study.
Hindi, ako na lang. Hindi ikaw yun.
Sorry.
Halimbawa ako, kahit hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng jowa na super duper yaman talaga, singyaman mo. Pero kung ang sinajowa ko, puro mayayaman, puro may kotse, puro politiko halimbawa, puro nasa alta, baka mahirapan ako na paniwalaan na true love. Ako lang to.
Bakit?
Pero kaya ako sinasabi na age doesn't matter kasi look at Bossing Vic and Pauline Luna. They're happy.
Why would you say that? Yun nga, parang...
May pattern kasi.
Pero
again,
what if yun talaga nahanap nila?
Sabi ko
kasi diba it always takes two to tango na parang para maging kayo, kailangan gusto ka rin ni guy.
Totoo naman. Kaya nga sabi ko no judgment kung ang mga tao ang hanap pagka nagjowa is tinitignan nila kung bongga ba bank account nito. Nagiging practical lang naman yung iba.
I also agree.
Kaya,
ako wala rin ako masasabing negative about that. Kasi
diba?
for some people, meron nga tayong kilala, And I know it's not the best scenario, but there are people who say na, oh, wala akong pakialam sa ginagawa ng wives wala akong pakialam sa ginagawa ng asawa ko, basta he comes home to me.
May mga ganon.
Diba?
Hindi na bago yan. Totoo
correct.
yan.
Totoo
Totoo
we
yan.
know people like that na parang alam nila nang bababae mga asawa nila or whatever. Importante sa kanila, umuwi sa akin, sinusustentohan ako, I live a comfortable life, I'm okay.
Wala akong paki kahit ilan pang juwain.
Oo.
Parang ganon.
Gusto niya man chicks dyan, bahala siya, basta ako, maayos yung ano niya sa akin.
Because you asked me kung naniniwala ba ako na age doesn't matter. Yes. But ikaw, hindi?
I'm always on the fence about it eh. Kasi,
For you, age does matter.
Hindi naman. There are certain cases na it will work. But also, I do believe that there's a certain maturity level that comes with experience in life na hindi mo rin matatawid without, that age or going through, let's say, somebody who's in their 20s and somebody in their 60s, diba? O sige, bossing Pauline. O kunyari, ganyan, diba? Not to say, it doesn't work. It's not, like I said, sometimes it does work out. It will really depend on maturity. Like, I'm sure how bossing is now probably is totally different already, diba? From how he was before.
True.
So,
Mas
siguro,
ano na siya ngayon.
laid back, chill.
Chill na chill.
Oo. So, depende rin talaga eh. It could work, but I still think that age plays an important factor.
Hi, I'm Joelle, and I'm back. Did you miss me? I wouldn't call this a season 2, but rather just another era with more lessons, realizations, and thoughts from all the overthinking. And it's not just gonna be me this time. We'll have special guests, other POVs, para mas marami pa tayong masagot na paano kungs ng buhay to hopefully help you find the answers you're looking for. Tara, this is Joelle's podcast, Paano Kung.
Wow, oo nga, napapaisip tuloy ako
Oo.
ngayon dito.
Hindi, kasi imagine mo, sige, parang legal. I have a 22-year-old, okay, may 22-year-old girlfriend ka, tapos 50 ka na. Okay, first impression.
Ako ang 50 o ako yung bata?
Hindi. May nakita kang couple. 22 years old, si guy 50. Anong impression? First impression mo.
Uy, magtatay. Chareng!
Diba? Diba?
Sorry na po.
Hindi, tsaka meron kang...
Impression lang naman. Tapos after mo
meron
i-judge.
meron ka parang...
Magja-judge ka pero sa dulo sasabihin mo,
Hindi ka pa
kung sa dyan sila masaya, edi
Oo
push,
naman.
go.
Oo naman.
Oo.
Pero
Pero,
hindi-
ang mas madalas na judge hindi yung lalaki yung older. Mas na-judge nga yung babae ang older. Ngayon, mas
Yun ang
sanay-
masarap.
Hoy!
Alam mo, kung ako, nakakondo na ako sa Rockwell, alam nyo na, may tsumami ako.
Sa akin, okay lang malayo yung agwat basta hindi menor de edad. Yung
Oo
girl.
naman. I mean,
Yung
that's
girl.
given. Kaya I said,
Oo.
22,
Kasi grooming
50.
na pag ganon,
Oo.
right? Oo.
Pero there are things that I think a 50-year-old would understand, would, be more aware about than the 22-year-old.
Oo. Parang kasing iba yung gustong gawin ni 22 sa gustong gawin ni 52
Correct.
or 50.
And if you ask me, like I said, ano impression mo pag may nakita kang ganyan? Ako, ang una ko isipin, ano kaya dynamics nito?
Paano sila?
Oo.
Oo. Kasi pag gusto mo martini girl.
Correct. Oh, yan.
At gusto
boom.
mag-golf ni Boyle. Ngayon kasi iba na. Kumbaga, sa tingin ko nag-work naman. Kasi
Oo naman.
mas mahirap lang siguro. Parang feeling ko ang mas nag-a-adjust. Mas mag-a-adjust yung walang pera sa may pera. Kasi may nakikita ako nag-aaral mag-golf kasi nag-golf yung older guy.
Yeah, that happens. And
Pero hindi ko
lang naman
nakikitang pumapart-year sumasama sa club si older guy.
So, parang bahala ka na dyan. Ako, bahay na lang ako. Sige, uwi ka na lang mamaya.
Right? Oo. Basta make sure wala ka sinasayaw na lalaki dyan.
Oo. O kaya, kung may sinasayaw ka, huwag yung mga pickle bump.
Pero nag-work nga din daw kasi 'di ba, parang based on research, mas maaga nagmamature ang
Yeah, there was a
babae.
study.
Mas maaga nagmamature ang babae kaysa sa mga lalaki.
32, girls mature at 32, guys at 43.
Oo.
Full maturity. Which, ako like for me, I'm still 10 years away from that. So I don't think I'll be mature anytime soon.
33 siya ngayon.
I don't think I'll mature. Hindi, ito, kayo ni Mike, tingin mo, sino mas mature?
Ako, sa edad si Mike, pero mas mature ako sa amin dalawa. But sa inyo? Sure ako
Si
si Esa.
Si Esa is so...
Told you!
Esa is
Pag
mature
alam
as
nga,
fuck.
pansinin niyo to. Thank you for saying that.
I am...
I'm sure pag nakikinig asawa ko, sasabihin niya, hell yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Asawa ko yan. Asawa ko yung mature.
She is mature.
Maglagay pa lang ng maduming damit dun sa Diba?
May katabi na yung hamper.
Yung hamper,
katabi, but no!
Yung tulo-tulong mga wiwi sa gilid
The wee droplets.
I know. Doon pa lang alam nyo na kung sinong mature.
Hindi sa maturity yun eh. Parang...
Hindi sa maturity yun.
Ano na yung cleanliness tsaka ugali na yun. But sa akin, decision making. Eto,
yeah.
decision making. We both have our strengths, me and Essa.
Yes, same.
Like meron akong, I think I have my strengths when it comes to decision. She also has her strengths when it
Depends.
And I think in a relationship, it's important to to recognize what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, para at least you guys can work together as a team.
So same din siguro with yung mga may December love affair.
Alin yung?
May December love affair.
Ano yun?
Malayo agwat ng edad.
May December ba tawag doon?
Yun ang tawag. Kasi May then December.
Oh, damn.
Oh, that's
I learned something new today.
Yes! Di niya. Totoo ba, Papi? Di ako
Hindi ko alam. May
alam.
December ang tawag doon?
May December love affair. Oo.
Ayun, so for me, Essa, when it comes to making rational choices, I think she's a lot better.
Kasi minsan iniisip natin pag medyo kalapit ng edad or kaedad, mas madali mag-jive kasi alam niyo kung ano yung gusto ng bawat isa.
Correct.
Pero kasi meron din talaga ako mga nakikita na malalayo yung agwat ng edad. And the relationship
Yeah, and
is
it's
so
great.
good.
Kaya nga sabi ko, it's
Pauline and Bossing Vic.
oh, and it's
Right?
not also an end all, diba? Like I said, sometimes it works, but I still think it plays may factor na nagpe-play yung age.
With all of your relationships, meron ka bang relasyon na malayo yung agwat sa'yo? Let's say, mas matanda sa'yo or mas bata? At gaano kalayo? If
No,
ever?
ako siguro
More than
mga
5 years? 10
plus minus
years?
na siguro yung 5.
Hindi masyado yun eh.
Parang
Parang
yung
sakto pa yun. Saks pa yun eh.
Sa akin kasi,
Oo.
I think a striking range would be
10?
10. 10. Plus
10 for
minus
me.
10.
8 sa akin is okay pa eh.
Oh, yeah.
7, 8 eh.
Oh.
Pero mga 9 onwards, medyo yun, malayo na yung agwat ng edad nun.
And I think, yun nga, as long as you guys, click around the
May
same boat,
dynamics din kayo, yung sinasabi mo kanina.
yun nga, and you understand, I think at the morals and values, pareho.
Yeah.
Diba, these things.
At
And
di mo naman ginawa yan just for money, just for social
that-
status,
alam mo yung mga
for
ganyan,
fame.
we will never know. Only the person who is. We can judge as much as we want.
True. Totoo yun.
We-
Ang makakasagot lang nun is the person na nasa relasyon.
Correct. Kung sugar
Pwede
baby,
niya sabihin na no, hindi pera yung habol ko dito, true love to. Pwedeng totoo,
kung sugar baby
pwedeng
ka, alam
hindi.
mo yan.
Alam mo yan.
Hindi na,
Correct.
we can judge. We can see post na parang, kasi mayaman ano nito.
Genoa.
Pero sila lang may alam niyan.
Tama.
Diba? So,
Well, at the end of the day, kung masaya naman kayo at ready kayong maging topic ng GC.
Correct,
Yung mga
correct.
tao, then go for it. I mean, wala namang masama. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina from the start of the conversation. I have a friend who is like that. Hindi man malayo yung agwat ng asawa niya sa edad niya, pero sinabi niya talaga sa amin, natatandaan ko noon, hindi ako magjojowa ng walang kotse. Ayoko mainitan. Ayoko mag-commute.
ako sa akin,
well, sabi ko nga sa kanya, well, practicality yun.
Oo.
Kumbaga parang, sa'yo ng choice niya eh.
if
Parang-
that's part of your checklist, so be it.
Checklist. That's
Oo.
it.
If it's part
Ikaw
of the
ba,
checklist,
anong non-negotiable mo na dapat di mawala? Kung
Ako
meron mga
kasi-
tao na, di ako pwede magjowa ng walang pera.
ako kasi wala akong material
Oo.
sa checklist.
Sa ugali.
Oo.
Ako din, pareho
More
tayo.
of ugali.
Ugali din ako.
Kasi I think, if you guys both work hard or whatnot, you can achieve your goals together.
True. Together.
And it's very important to work as a team.
So what's your non-negotiable?
Siguro sa akin, number one, kailangan hindi maarte. Can deal with the highs but can also deal with the lows. Because like I said,
What's the definition of maarte for you?
yung parang, let's say, if we have to eat in a karinderya or whatever,
Meron ka nakadate na ganyan?
oo.
Bawal din sa karinderya?
Hindi, parang alam mo,
High maintenance.
Hindi na siya kakain.
Ginudge mo naman agad?
Oo, kumain
Sinubukan
ako.
mo bandalin?
Oo.
Hindi siya kumain.
Hindi siya
Nagpunta
kumain.
kayo.
Oo,
Kilala ko
kumain
to?
ako.
Tao to,
Hindi,
Char.
hindi.
Oo.
Diba? So, it really,
Gusto mo sing cowboy mo. Yun talaga yun.
oh, and also, siguro, I think one thing that's very important to me is somebody who is passionate, no? And when I say passionate, passion siya sa trabaho,
Oo. Kapareho mo.
sa family,
masipag.
o and may direction.
Correct. May direction
Ang
yung
hirap
buhay.
to be with someone na kalat at walang direction. Yung hindi mo alam, okay, anong balak nito?
Saan tayo pupunta?
Saan tayo pupunta?
Oo.
I
And
think
you will feel it, di ba?
yes. So I think if there's one thing that would top the checklist, that would be it for me.
Puro ugali. Same din tayo. Puro ugali. Tsaka yung mga morals.
Of course, diba?
Like, diba? Yung marunong rumespeto sa mga magulang.
Correct.
Importante sa akin yun kung paano niya itrato yung pamilya niya.
Oo, diba?
Kasi parang feeling ko kung sarili niyang pamilya, hindi siya mabait or di siya okay, paano pa ako? Parang may ganun ako, alam mo yun?
Diba?
Tsaka kung paano itrato din yung mga tao sa paligid. The waiters,
Yes,
guards,
that is a big thing for me. Kasi sa akin,
yung ibang tao,
Yes.
alam mo yun?
people who serve you,
Yes.
your household
yes,
help,
yes.
people who serve you, people who are probably less fortunate than you, how you treat them matters to me. I observe that.
Diba?
I observe that.
Yun. So ako pareho tayo mas ugali din. Di rin ako masyado sa material na bagay o dapat ganito yung apelido mo.
No, kasi naman-
dapat ganito yung tinapos mo.
Pero if I was married
Dapat
to, let's
dito
say,
ka nag-aral. Di ba may mga ganon?
pero if I was married to, let's say, a C or a Zobel de Ayala, sinabi ko sa Boys Night Out, willing ako makapalitan pangalan ko. Samir Zobel de Ayala.
Ikaw magpapalit?
Ako magpapalit.
Sa bagay, choosy ka pa ba naman nun?
Diba?
Oo.
Diba? Wag choosy kung hindi ka yummy. On that note, thank you for joining us on this episode. Choose wisely. Diba?
Choose wisely. Botohan na ba to?
Oh, good shit to. Good shit.
Good shit. Thank you, guys.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.